Andy, you handsome devil, come here.
The white one is Suki Wookie, and the black one is Baby Dee Dee. I told them to go into the kitchen. Dee Dee is stubborn. She comes when she wants to, and Sook is trying to get her to chase her. Come on, let's go in the kitchen. See how she entices her? Come on, let's go. Come on. Who wants a cookie in the kitchen? Oh, that did. I hope there is some. Let's go. Come on. Good girl, Sook. Get her pissed off. Suki is the guardian. They're sisters from different litters. Come on. Done playing. Let's go. Let's go in the house. Come on. Come on. Oh, the race will happen. Come on, I'm only giving you a bit more film time. Let's go. Get Daddy in the kitchen. Come on. Get Daddy in the kitchen. There we go. Wow, she's stubborn now. Suki, Dee Dee, let's go. Oh, the little bugger. Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Dee Dee. So I don't know how you all do videos outside and see what you're doing. I do inside videos. You can see the rhubarb here. It's really starting, look, it's starting to bolt. So I'm having at it. I have a big project we're starting tomorrow. Next time you see this, she'll be down. Yes, and I know you don't cut. You reach to the bottom, twist. And that's what I'm about to do. Slugs and all. And that takes care of that. I'll go in with a little, I'll get my gloves on and use my hands like a rake and get rid of the dead foliage laying on top. And then all the foliage over here and over here I'm going to put into a clear plastic bag till we start our compost, because I don't want visitors. I don't want them laying around. So I'll work on that a bit. And what I got was this. I'll go through it. Some of it might be woody. A lot of it has slugs. This will be tomorrow's project. Stay tuned. I'm going to garden hose these down, bring them in the house, check them out, let them sit in some salt or vinegar water, get all the goobies off it, wash it all real good, wrap it, put it in the fridge till tomorrow. Ta-da! Down. Rhubarb down. Feels good. Let it breathe some. Oh, the slugs. It was slug heaven in there. Me without my gloves. I just pretended. It's not slugs, that gooey thing. It's just a very soft stem. Oh, I got 3 bags. 3 bags full. Rhubarb leaves. I want them to rot a little bit. We're going to start our compost. So now, back to the table. Gonna rinse them suckers off, clean them up. Andy should be back from town. He's in getting it done north of 7 territory. We didn't know how close he was, or we would have ended up there. Next time, Roland. I am forever and evermore going to be watching videos in a different light. Those of you videoing on your own, using a camcorder when you're right-handed, so you know what hand you're using the camera on and what one you're using, what you're doing with, doesn't work so well. Doesn't work so well. Look there, see, I took you at a shot. Like I said, I'm just going to do a quick rough wash. And guess what? We're using well water. No more city water concerns. The well's been tested. Oh man. Drink, babies. So we have the previous owner, Carol, to thank for this bounty. If her family or she are watching, thank you. Look at that. Some of it's woody, I know from experience. But I'm going to try. I'm going to try and save as much as I can in one form or another. So it's rough washed. I'm gonna go make sure there's nothing in the sinks before I bring them in and get it prepped for the second cleaning. Okay, this is all I chose to keep. A lot of it looked good, but then once cutting into it, you could see it was obviously woody. So now I've done a rough wash outside, and what I've done is just cut to fit, filled with cold water, just enough to cover. You know that vegetable and fruit cleaning solution you can buy in the grocery store? Yeah, don't do it. Just put enough cold water in to cover. Take your white vinegar, about this much, I'd say quarter cup, a little bit more. And swish it around. And we're gonna let it sit like this for 5 minutes. It helps kill all the, you know, I'm gonna put a little more because I saw slugs, not in here, but out there. And I just, yeah, it's not gonna hurt. I'm gonna rinse it off. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so nothing to this. It sat there. And now I'm going to put it into a sink of clean water to help rinse. Look at that water. I don't want to see things in there. I'm just going to pull the plug without looking. And they still need cleaning. You still see some with some yuckies. So I'm going to give them another scrub. And when I'm done, I'm just going to let the water come out. Rinse them off really good and do an inspection one by one. Put them in the other sink to dry somewhat. And then I'm going to wrap them up, put them in the fridge. And we'll see what we're doing with this tomorrow.
So right now I'm just going to trim through here for where the fence is going to go. Otherwise, you can see it right here.
Is it going behind this tree?
Yes,
okay.
On that side of the tree.
Oh, we're going to lose some grapevine, you said?
Yep. See it?
It'll come back.
Right here.
Yeah. You know what?
I know.
We got lots.
Yep.
So this is...
I'm using the Ego. It's battery operated. Very lightweight.
I'm backing up. Lots of raspberries in there around the corner of the tree. We're not going to lose them, thank goodness. We're going to try and tame some of them. So Andy,
what?
Do you want to say goodbye? And we'll put this up for everybody.
Okay. See you in a bit. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell, ding, 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 and give us a thumb up. Leave us a message down below at what you think I should not do and should do. But I don't care. I don't listen to anybody.
Yes, you do.
I know.
Yes, you do.
Just kidding.
So he's just trying to get the fence line ready for the weekend. I don't know how to work a camera outside. You're going to have to all suffer with me. I'm sorry. I'm leaving him to that, and I'm going back inside to the rhubarb. Have a good day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 9-year-old Mary Jane today. Happy birthday to you.